Hi, I'm Jeff Weber, and I'm here to help you learn an amazing contrary way to invest called AIM, or Automatic Investment Management. AIM helps you to logically always buy low and sell high. It was invented by a wonderful gentleman named Robert Lichello. I read his book while I was in Korea, got some great ideas from his book, and decided to write my own book, which I wrote for the first time in Korea. I learned AIM by taking 15-column spreadsheets and writing down the 13 columns that you need to write for AIM. And then I did AIM on about 60 stocks for 3 years. That gave me ideas on what works and what didn't work, and how to make the highest possible profits with AIM. Based on that, I got ideas for book chapters and wrote my first book for the first time over 30 years ago. And I have spent roughly the last 30 years revising and updating that book as I learned more information to help AIM investors make the highest possible profits. Then about 15 years ago, I attended a financial seminar and I learned about this wonderful investing vehicle called long-term options, or LEAPs. LEAPs are options that don't expire for over 2 years when they are first issued. They come out every September, October, and November for the following year. So based on learning about LEAPs, I decided to see how well AIM would do using LEAPs. So I picked a group of stocks back in roughly 12 years ago, ones that were in the money and out of the money. In the money merely means the strike price on the LEAPs was lower than the stock price. Out of the money means the strike price is higher than the stock price, but don't be concerned about that for now. Then, roughly 4.5 years ago, I decided to see how a very conservative investment, which basically means I used Dow Jones Industrial Average stocks, probably the safest and most conservative stocks you can ever find. There's 30 of them. Well, I picked the 10 Dow Jones stocks with the highest dividends so I could compare how dogs of the Dow stocks did with AIM to how dogs of the Dow long-term options, or LEAPs, did with AIM. So I've been following this portfolio for 4.5 years, and you can see the amazing results in my newsletter that you can get for free for 1 year, along with a free copy of my original investing book that's been updated many times at jjjinvesting.com. That's jjjinvesting.com. Let me give you an idea of the amazing results. That Dogs of the Dow LEAPs portfolio is up 379% in the last 4.5 years. That means the original 60,000 that I started with, and by 60,000 I mean 30,000 worth of options and 30,000 worth of cash, because the way AIM works, when you set up an investment, you put half of your money in cash and half of it into options, which makes it an even more conservative way of investing. And it also doubles as creating an emergency fund for you for whenever you have a future emergency. And the best thing about AIM is both the option value and the cash value both grow. So having that portfolio grow from 60,000 to 270,000 means you have roughly $135,000 worth of options and you have 135,000 worth of cash. So I think you can immediately see you get great results and great benefits from AIM investing. Plus, it has the unique characteristic that it is a completely logical way to invest that always tells you when to buy, when to sell, and how much to buy and sell. So what more could you want? And also it takes very little time. It's very simple to do, and I can help you learn it through my management services. I'll help you get started. I will advise you for 6 months for a very low fee of $200. And you will learn it and be able to use it for yourself, your children, and your grandchildren. This is something you can pass on as an inheritance to all of the people you love. It started, okay, the original portfolio I ever created was created in 1993. So it's been around for 25 years. It consists of 10 basically Dow Jones stocks. And after 25 years, I am proud to say that portfolio has the same 10 stocks that it had 25 years ago. That portfolio has grown from 15,000 or 7,500 worth of stock, 7,500 worth of cash, to about 154,000. That's the amazing power of AIM. And remember, in the last 25 years, we had a 3-year bear market during the dot-com meltdown of 2000, 2001, 2002. And we had a 2-year meltdown in 2008 and 9, thanks to the financial meltdown. AIM loves bear markets and will help you buy shares dirt cheap that will grow. And one of the bonuses you will get when you order my free book, I send you my March 2009 newsletter, and I show you how prices have gone up in the last 9 years. I'll give you 2 quick examples. American Express in March of 2009 was $11 a share. Today, 9 years later, it is at $100 a share. Boeing was at $32 a share in March of 2009. Today, it's around $350 a share. And that's just the stock. The leaps would have gone up 4 or 5 times as much. So AIM is the perfect investing vehicle if you think there's going to be a bear market soon, because AIM will cause you to buy at ridiculously low prices. Plus, when I'm helping you manage your account, I have a bear strategy that conserves your cash and buys at the lowest possible prices. So you have the amazing power of AIM, and you have the amazing power of my professional expert help to make you the highest possible profits. So I urge you to go to my website, which is jjjinvesting.com. That's jjjinvesting.com. You will see a flashing billboard that will let you sign up for the free book and newsletter, and then you will get all of the information on AIM, and you can decide for yourself if AIM is the right investing vehicle for you. And nobody else in the world is teaching this. I know, because at least 6 times during my AIM career, I have been the market maker in a particular option and strike price, which means when I looked at the trading volume on that particular strike price on that particular stock, I was the only buyer or seller that day. So that's pretty amazing. So this method of investing has been undiscovered. I have discovered it, and I'm trying to bring it to the world, because this offers you the best possible hope to live the life you want to in the future. So again, I urge you to go to my website, jjjinvesting.com, sign up for this free book and newsletter and other free bonuses, and you will be amazed at how simple and easy it is to do and the very high profits you can make. So I'd like to end with this disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. I am offering you educational information only. You need to do your own research and find qualified advisors for a complete financial picture. I am only one small snapshot in the financial investment area, but my small snapshot will give you the highest possible profits that will enable you to see another financial advisor and plan out a complete financial strategy. So I urge you again to go to my website, jjjinvesting.com, and order your free book and newsletter. You will be amazed and see a way to invest that no one else in the world can offer you. So thank you for your time and attention, and we hope to do many more YouTube videos in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.